Here's a 2017 Chrysler Pacifica. Versatility, safety, connectivity, beauty. To a T, this is the Pacifica. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: power tilt-down heated mirrors, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, integrated navigation system with voice activation, auto-dimming rearview mirror, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, keyless enter and go, heated steering wheel, V6 engine, hands-free liftgate, and automatic transmission. Car and Driver notes, amazingly, through the blizzard of new tech and safety equipment the Pacifica brings, the most impressive item is still Chrysler's super clever stow-and-go second row seats that drop into the floor to expand cargo capacity. Chrysler, where bold ideas merge with brilliant innovation. Hurry in today and see it for yourself.
Whether you're buying today or just shopping at Metropolitan Ford, you can expect to experience something truly unique. Call or stop in today. We're conveniently located near 494 and Highway 5 in Eden Prairie.